Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account, okay? And in this video, I'll be showing you guys how I was able to do my analysis before taking the entry, how I spot this entry, and my reasons for taking the entry, okay? So if you want to learn all that in this video, make sure you stick to the video till the end and don't skip any part of the video, okay? So with that being said, I also have a strategy, a boom and crash strategy that I want to share with you guys, okay? It's a very powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your small account, okay? So if you are interested in getting this strategy, you should make sure to check the description of this video. You are going to see the link. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact, okay? Make sure to message me directly on WhatsApp so that I can share with you the strategy, okay? It's a very powerful strategy that you can use to grow as little as a $5 account, okay? So if you want to get the strategy, make sure to DM me so that we'll discuss on how you can get the strategy, okay? So with that being said, let's go to the main video where I explain how I was able to got this sweet entry, okay? And right now I've made over $50 this morning, okay? So if you want to enjoy this strategy, make sure you stick to the video till the end, okay? All right, let's get to it. This was how I was able to cut the sell trade yesterday, okay? So the first thing I did was that I went to the daily time frame where I like to do my analysis from, okay? You know, this is a top-down analysis, so you need to start it from a higher time frame, all right? So I normally do mine from the daily time frame, okay? So here on the daily time frame, you can see that we are kind of in an uptrend, okay? So what I did was that I put in some trend line, all right? I put in some trend line. So I marked the overall trend of the market, which was an uptrend like this. So from the daily, you can see that we are in an uptrend, right? So normally I'm supposed to be taking buy entry, but it's going to take time before my condition is met, okay? It's going to take days, okay? So what I did was that I stepped down to the 4-hour time frame. Here again on the 4-hour time frame, I still put in some trend line, okay? I put in some trend line again so that I can work with it on the lower time frame. Right, so I marked my trend line here again on the 4 hours time frame. Now you can see that on the 4 hours time frame, you can see now the price has broken below this trend line here, all right, this 4 hours trend line, and it's now heading to this one, which might have some bounce up to the upside again, okay, because the overall trend from the daily is an uptrend, right? So now I still went down to the 1 hour time frame, all right. So on the 1 hour time frame, what I did was that I put in some support and resistance zone, okay? I began to mark out some support and resistance zone which I was seeing in the market, okay? So here I marked this support and resistance zone over here so that I will see the price will bounce from next, okay? So I decided to mark this area like this, and that was how I got that resistance structure there where I took the sell from, okay? So this was how it come about. All right, so after marking this area, as you can see, there's also this support and resistance area above. All right, but I just have to, it's not important because price is no longer there, but I just have to mark it so that we'll get a better understanding of what we are doing in the market. All right, there's something here that might be of use in the future. All right, it's going to take a while before price get there, but you need to identify it so that you have a better idea of what you are doing in the market. Okay, so I mark that area. All right, so after identifying this zone from the higher time frame, which is the 1 hour, I still step down to the 30-minute time frame to see what market is doing. And that was when I saw this nice uptrend. Okay, I knew that this resistance here is going to like bounce price to the downside, to either this area of support and then continue to the upside. Okay, so what I did is that I want to like catch this entry here. I know there's going to be a sell. Is either price sell from here or it's going to break and retest and continue the buy to the upside. Okay, so I don't know what the next move is, so the best thing is to draw your trend line, make your setup, and then prepare for the next movement. Okay, and that's why risk management is very important. Okay, if it doesn't sell, my stop loss there is there. If it doesn't sell, my stop loss is there to take me out of the market, and if it sells, my if it sells, my TP is there to like book in my profit. Okay, that's why I need to set all those stuff. So I went down to the 15-minute time frame again. That was where I took the entry from. All right, so here on the 15-minute time frame, what I did was that I put in some trend line. All right, I put in some trend line here again. You can see, just like you are seeing in the video right now, you can see my trend line there on the 15-minute time frame. So here on the 15-minute time frame, what I did was that I took in some sell trade. Right, I sell immediately and then I place a buy stop order. Okay, so that if price goes down and decide to buy, okay, it's going to trigger my buy stop, and I place my TP around this area for the buy stop so that if it buys to this area, it will book my profit for me. Okay, so I took this trade yesterday night. All right, it was in the night around 11 or so. As you can see the time over there, that was when I took the trade. All right, then I decided to record it to see how it will play out. Okay, so that I will show you guys how you can go about it. Okay, now as you can see right now, the trade is heading to my TP area. Okay, it's heading there. It's going to take a while, but it will get there. So this thing, they are not easy. Okay, so as you can see, I just decided to like show you guys how you can go about it. Okay, so me trading live like this, you are also going to see, and you know how to go about it when taking your own trade. Okay, so what I'm trying to say here is that top-down analysis is very good. Okay, so before you start trading, make sure you get the overview of the market from the higher time frame, and then you step down to the lower time frame where you know is suitable for your risk management. Okay, where that if you place your stop loss is not going to be too big and is like you are comfortable with it. Okay, that's why the time frame is there. All right, all the time frame work. Okay, it's something of step by step. All right, something that anyone that suits your account size, you make use of that. Okay, so those that have big equity, they can use the higher time frame. All right, to me, that's how I just see these things. Okay, you can have your own idea. Right, everybody has their own opinion. Okay, and this is how I make my own analysis personally before trading. Okay, and you see me use you see me use indicators. Okay, those indicators are just for confirmation. The main strategy is price action. Okay, price action is the key, right? So guys, that is going to be all. I don't want to talk too much. Okay, as you have seen in the video, I believe you have learned one or two from this video again. Okay, so I think I'm going to be ending the video here now. All right, thanks for watching. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a like if you are getting value from it, and don't forget to also turn the bell icon so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. All right, so with that being said, before I go, I want to quickly remind you guys about my coming class, all right? The free beginners class, which I'll be hosting on the 5th of September next month, not too far anymore, okay? So if you haven't joined the channel, check the description of this video. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel, okay? Do make sure you click on it and join the Telegram channel so that you not miss this opportunity, okay? It's a lifetime opportunity and I don't want any of you to miss it, okay? If you know you're a newbie looking for someone to mentor you on how to trade the forex market, make sure you join that channel. All right, so guys, that is going to be all for this one, okay? I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Silver out.